In this video, I will show you how I create 3D basketball. So let's get it started. Take a circle and cut it in half by using Direct Selection tool. Select one edge and delete it. Press Alt on Window or Command on Mac and drag the mouse to copy the shape. Now copy the shape one more time and reflect the shape into vertical. Draw a straight line. Now select all three layers and center align them. Change the color into black. Now select the main circle and apply a 3D effect. Change the direction of light. Now click on Material tab and apply Oxford Fabric Effect. Select a 2048 pixel resolution and adjust the values. Now change the roughness and metallic color into dark red. Now select the group layer and drag it into the graphics panel. Select the 3D circle and add graphics to it. You will now see that the circle is broken. To fix this, we will reduce the repetition value of the circle. Change the direction of light. Now open into Photoshop. Now search for a beautiful basketball court and place it behind the ball. Convert to Smart Object and give it blur effect. Add some color to it and adjust the highlights and shadows. Create a shape in white color like ribbon. Apply an arc effect to it. Now, to make it slightly wavy, we will apply the warp effect. To make it look realistic, we will apply highlights and shadows. Make a selection of ribbon and create a shadow behind the ribbon. Now, we will use a black and white effect and save it as a new file. Name the file to displacement file. Now, we will open the main file and write basketball on top of ribbon. Go to Distort and apply the displacement effect on text. Select Displacement File and click OK. You will notice that the text has become slightly wavy. To make the text look more realistic, we will use a blending effect. Now select the ribbon and apply a path blur effect. Here is the final result. Thanks for watching.